Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how to concatenate, join, items in a list to a single string. To concatenate or join items in a list into a single string in Python, you can use the join method. The join method is a string method in Python that takes a list of strings as input and returns a single string by joining the elements of the list with a specified delimiter. Here's an example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In the above example, my_list is the list of strings that you want to concatenate. The join method is called on a string and passed the my_list as an argument. The space is used as a delimiter to join the list items into a single string. The resulting string is stored in the variable result and then printed. You can specify any delimiter you want, such as comma, dash, underscore, etc., by replacing the space in the join method with the desired delimiter. For example, if you want to join the list items with a comma as delimiter, you can use .join my_list instead. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.